Welcome to Auto Nova Chronicles, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, automotive insights, and detailed explorations of next-generation vehicles redefining the future of mobility. Today, we dive deep into the 2026 Genesis GV60, a luxury electric crossover that blends dynamic performance, refined design, and cutting-edge technology into a seamless driving experience. The GV60 stands as one of the most advanced electric vehicles in Genesis's lineup, pushing the boundaries of what a modern EV can offer while maintaining the brand's signature elegance and attention to detail. The 2026 Genesis GV60 carries forward the brand's unique design philosophy known as athletic elegance, merging sleek proportions with bold futuristic cues. Its exterior design reflects a perfect balance between sophistication and sportiness, featuring a smooth aerodynamic silhouette that enhances efficiency and performance. The split two-line LED headlamps, signature to Genesis, give the front end a distinctive character, while the large crest grille positioned lower for better aerodynamics serves as a subtle nod to its combustion engine heritage. The coupe-like roofline flows gracefully toward the rear, where the minimalist LED taillights and integrated spoiler emphasize its athletic stance. The flush door handles, sculpted body lines, and premium alloy wheel options complete the modern aesthetic, giving the GV60 a presence that feels both progressive and luxurious. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 GV60 is a masterclass in modern craftsmanship and technology. Genesis has created a space that feels open, airy, and distinctly premium. Sustainable materials, such as eco-friendly leatherette and recycled fabrics, are used throughout, reflecting the brand's commitment to sustainability. The centerpiece of the cabin is the crystal sphere, a unique shift control that glows when the vehicle is on and transforms into a gear selector when activated, symbolizing the harmony between technology and artistry. The dashboard features a panoramic curved display that merges the digital instrument cluster with the infotainment touchscreen, offering intuitive control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Ambient lighting, high-quality audio from Bang & Olufsen, and extensive seat adjustability enhance the sense of comfort and luxury for both driver and passengers. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, lies the advanced E-GMP platform that powers the GV60. It comes with multiple powertrain options, including rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations. The dual-motor AWD variant delivers exhilarating acceleration with around 429 horsepower in standard mode, and up to 483 horsepower in boost mode, allowing a sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in roughly 4 seconds. The instant torque and responsive handling make the GV60 not just a luxurious electric vehicle, but a performance-oriented crossover that offers a thrilling driving experience. The suspension system, adaptive dampers, and low center of gravity ensure exceptional stability and ride comfort even at high speeds. Battery performance is another area where the 2026 Genesis GV60 excels. It features a high-capacity 77.4 kWh battery that supports ultra-fast 800 volts charging, enabling a charge from 10% to 80% in just under 20 minutes when using a DC fast charger. The estimated range exceeds 450 km on a single charge, making it suitable for both city commuting and long-distance travel. Regenerative braking, intelligent energy management, and improved aerodynamics contribute to maximizing range efficiency. The vehicle also supports vehicle-to-load V2L functionality, allowing users to power external devices, making it practical for outdoor or emergency use. Safety and driver assistance technologies are state-of-the-art in the GV60. It comes equipped with the latest Genesis Active Safety Control Suite, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision avoidance, and highway driving assist. The inclusion of facial recognition and fingerprint authentication technology sets the GV60 apart, allowing for keyless access and personalized driving settings. Additionally, the augmented reality head-up display and surround view camera make every drive safer and more intuitive. The 2026 Genesis GV60 isn't just an electric crossover, it's a statement of innovation, luxury, and environmental responsibility. It bridges the gap between performance and sustainability, delivering an experience that appeals to both enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers. With its refined design, Powerful electric drivetrain, and next-level technology, the GV60 stands as a testament to Genesis's vision for the future of mobility. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more reviews, in-depth breakdowns, and automotive innovations, make sure to subscribe to Auto Chronicles. Stay tuned as we continue exploring the future of driving, one car at a time.